Divorce is the legal dissolution of one's marriage from either a court or another competent body. Almost 50% of all marriages in the United States will end in divorce or separation. The United States has the sixth highest divorce rate in the world. The top 5 professions with the lowest divorce rates are scientists, legislators, audiologists, dentists, and farmers. In the United States, 44% of all divorces happen due to lack of equality in the relationship. Feeling that one spouse spent money foolishly increased the likelihood of divorce 45% for both men and women. We have determined one of the main reasons for both marriage and divorce is income. If the female spouse earns more than the male spouse, then the likelihood of divorce is increased. The independence effect is when the wife earns more than 40 to 60% of the household income. She will feel less inclined to stay in the marriage and would be more likely to divorce because of this. The male will also feel the traditional marriage power balance at risk and will also likely be to divorce.
So, as more and more women are now joining the workforce, more and more women are now working rewarding jobs that provide financial security. This, in turn, increases the rate of divorce due to the fact that less women are now relying on their male counterpart for financial freedom and stability. When women are bringing in more income than their male counterpart, they no longer feel as though they are in need of their husband in order to continue their lifestyle. As you can see in Figure 1, as the amount of women in the labor force increases, so does the rate of divorce. Women are becoming more educated and earning higher wages. As of 2013, females now hold 60% of the bachelor degrees in the United States. This is due to the fact that we now have more females graduating college and university than males, leading to more female professionals. Due to this, many women are now making 6 figures. With this newfound financial security women now have, marriage is looking less desirable than it once was, in turn, increasing the rate of divorce. So as you can see in these 2 charts, the average income for a divorced woman is much higher than the incomes of married women. Change in financial security can lead to a higher rate of divorce. Firstly, marriage is a form of financial insurance in which 2 individuals enter in order to hedge against income risk. As women's wages increase, they build up the confidence in themselves to perhaps get a divorce, as they no longer need to join their income with another individual's in order to hedge against income risk. This is called the independence effect. The effect when the wife earns more than 40 to 60% of the income. However, when both partners in the marriage are making a high income, it increases the chance of having a successful marriage. This is called the income effect. As women's salaries increase, so does the rate of divorce.
In conclusion, the points we have mentioned are the increase in women's participation in the labor force. When women are joining the workforce, it provides them with financial security. Furthermore, females are becoming more educated and earning higher wages. This leads to a large wage difference. Additionally, changes in financial security can lead to higher rate of divorce. Marriage is a form of financial insurance between 2 individuals. If the male's income goes through a drastic decrease and the female earns more in consequence, these 3 points support our thesis when female spouse earn more than the male spouse, which leads to an increased risk of divorce.